Hey, I'm back here with another video. Ah! I'm here in Chicago, Illinois. I'm just here gonna blow up these this smoke bomb. Oh, there we go. Anyways, I think he.
No, yo le tengo así porque se va.
Oh yeah, I got it. Yeah, as you can see here, I blew up some of these smoke bombs. I like how the intro went, how I start off, but the fire just spreads too fast on the tissue, so I just kind of scream and drop it. I mean, it's okay. I mean, at least I got the intro right, you know. See, we got more of these smoke bombs here.
Y la tracalosa también se me antoja.
Ponen una mente muy chido.
Hey, can you light this up? Well, light this up, all right? We got a smoke bomb here. We got that one lighted up. Wow, that looks amazing. Let me tell you guys one thing, you know, happy 4th of July. You know, I don't really have nothing to say. I mean, it's the 4th of July, and I don't really, I mean, you know, I just really celebrate, you know, the 4th of July by blowing up fireworks, you know, and going on with my normal day. I just really just blow up fireworks, really, on the 4th of July. Nothing much. You know, sometimes I'm grateful for what I have, you know, here in America. You know, I just might as well be blowing up these smoke bombs while I talk. My dad over there, you know, blowing up those little rockets. There it is. Yeah, finally caught one. Where is it? Well, I'm gonna blow up these smoke bombs here, but yeah. You know, that's really all I have to say. You know, for this video, nothing much. There we go. And now I think I just need to get a tissue, you know, get some fire in it and put it in the middle, and then it should work. They should ignite all of those. Now let's go get this on fire. Can you put this on fire? Hey, Mama, can you go over there so I don't have to run and then scream and then drop it like I did last time? Yeah, there we go. There we go. It's piping hot. Well. There's the smoke. I think a lot more happened the last time than here. Wow, look at that. What's that? I would melt it. Wow, look at that. Hey guys, you know, I'm sorry I don't really post like a lot on my channel. Like I don't really post daily or at least once a week, you know. I'm trying to find I'm trying to find something interesting to record. Yeah, I don't want my videos to be really all that boring when it comes to this when it comes to my channel, because I don't really want my viewers bored at my videos. I want them, I know, to at least enjoy it, throughout the whole video. And that's why I decided to record, this smoke bombs. This is why I decided to record all this smoke bomb stuff here. I kind of find that interesting. Got one more, but yeah, might as well ignite these ones, and I'll just end the video there. So let's just place these. Geez, what is that? Well, that's just like dirt. I didn't see that until I was putting these up these fireworks. I think I burned one of my fingers. I'm not sure which one it was, but yeah, this looks pretty interesting. I think that's enough. I'll keep these 5 for later to throw. I'll end the video, after I ignite those. So, let's just get another tissue and put that on fire and put it in the middle. Put this on fire.
Señora, su misma mesa, te digo, y ya le decía, no me importa la mesa que me des, no. Ah, ok. ¿Ya está todavía aquí, mi papá?
Huh? Really? Go! Where is it? There it is. Whoa, dang it.
Cuando la quería tener.
Another fill.
Casi parando ahorita. Pero para acá le digo,
dang it.
lo conozco, Alfredo.
I should have went faster. Oh, there's Hokies. There it is.